No idea what this is. Just about to go out for a wander in the rain. Oh, batteries. Yeah, this is the biggest complaint I have about AliExpress. Is that they say to you, this will be delivered in April. It's February. So you expect it to be delivered in a certain time. They deliver early. Now that's great if you're housebound. But if you actually want to go out one day, although that actually went through the letterbox for a change. So yeah, that is my rechargeable batteries. Yay. For all my little zappy toys. Nice. And just to verify they are actual batteries and not just fake things, you get these usual GIMP fake profiles online. All Chinese stuff is fake. Well, this proves to you that they arrived 3/4 charged, and yep, they are nice rechargeable lithium batteries. Chopping away.